Hello once again, this is Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station Travel Adventures, and me and Ford's on another great adventure today. And we're doing a series of disasters that happened in Pennsylvania. And we're in Austin, PA. This was on my bucket list for a couple of years, and we're up in this area, so we're filming it. And this is the Austin Dam disaster. 78 lives were lost when it happened, and I'm going to give you a little history on it, show you the dam, and tell you what happened. So follow us on this adventure. Okay, we're at the park of the dam, and it's Cora Brooks Bayless Paper Mill. Cora Brooks was 19 when she married her first husband. After he died, she opened a boarding house and brothel above the town of Austin to support herself and her children. She married again to a man named Brooks, but the marriage did not end well. Rumors presented that he had relations with her help and left her for another woman. Demonstrating her kind character, when Brooks' sister died in childbirth, Cora assumed the role of foster mother to keep her children together, preventing them from going to an orphanage. Cora's last relationship was with Harry Davis, and she remained with him until she died in 1943. Cora's business and her girls were not welcomed by the town. Near her house of Red Light House was a Bayless paper mill dam. George Bayless had the dam constructed to supply water to his pulp and paper mill, completed in 1909. The dam was built of concrete and steel reinforcing rods. Bayless used the cheapest method of construction dam, resulting in dangerous flaws. On Saturday, September 30th, 1911, the dam began to crack at 2:15 p.m. Few houses at the time had telephones, but Cora Brooks did. Hearing the crack of the dam and thunder of the water, Cora realized the destruction heading to town. Cora Brooks is given credit for calling the Austin switchboard operators at the Bell Telephone office. Phone operations, Lena Binkley and Catherine Lyons responded. Lena ran to the streets yelling that the dam had broken. Catherine stayed at her post, ringing everyone she could until the switchboard stopped working, and then took the streets warning the townspeople. The pop mill also sounded an alarm, 8 short hoots and 1 long blast. Torrent of water descended up on the town, followed by fires and gas explosions. In total, 78 lives were lost. In comparison, the Johnstown flood of May 31st, 1889 killed over 2,200 people when the South Fork Dam gave way. Its floodwaters traveled 14 miles from Lake Connon to Johnstown in only 10 minutes. The floodwaters from the Bayless paper mill had only 1 mile to travel to the town of Austin. The lower death rate was a direct result of Cora's quick thinking to call and warn the town. There's a picture of Austin after the flood. Now, here's the paper mill. We just went past it and seen the remnants of it, and I guess this was Cora's house, which was close to here. But I also did a video on the Johnstown flood, if you want to check that out. And it says, prior to the flood, the town of Austin had filed charges against Cora Brooks for operating a house of repute and selling liquor without a license. When the trial took place 3 months late, she pled guilty to trial. The town and judge recognized her humanity in her efforts to help the people of Austin. Had it not been for her, undoubtedly hundreds more lives would have been lost. Residents said in a letter the sentencing judge, large numbers of people were fed by her, and the suffering and distressed rendered aid and assistance. Cora Brooks, the judge declared, proved she was not only human but humane. He dismissed the case and released her with a $200 fine. And this is her right there. And this is a piece of the dam right here. I'll show you right here. How the metal is in with the concrete. And over here's the actual dam that we're going to go see and look at that broke. And like I said, this was a pretty big disaster, but not as much as the one in Johnstown. So I guess this is the stream of water that would have flowed through here when the dam broke, right down through this valley here. It says one of Austin's most colorful turn of the century citizens, Cora, in the center of this picture, operated a local brothel up on a hill adjacent to the dam. So she was the one that called. I don't know if her house was up on that hill or up on this hill. But we'll go up here to the dam, get a closer look. Then we'll go over to the little thing there and learn more about it. So I'm not sure if the main part of the dam, I'd say, well, it probably broke there in the middle and here. So it broke into different pieces. Even in the middle there's a big crack. So it was cheaply made, concrete and wire, that's about it. See, the force of the water actually moved this piece of the dam away. So I mean, it's high enough, probably 30 feet, to hold a lot of water back. So I imagine, depending on how much water was behind it. And here's a little plaque that says the victims of September 30th, 1911 Austin flood. It's the name of all the people that lost their lives. Hi.
Hi, buddy.
You can see the wire sticking out. It's made mostly of concrete. Amazing the force that moved this piece out of the way. Must have been a lot of force of water. As I was just telling everyone, imagine the force of the water to actually move the dam the way it moved it. See how it moved it? moved it away from the other piece. Imagine it was a lot of water to force to move that piece like that away from this piece, because this right here, this side was attached to this side, so it basically moved the wall when it broke. So follow us on this adventure. Some pictures here of what it looked like after the dam broke. There's the town of Austin. There's the pulp mill. That's the construction of the dam there. So yeah, there was a lot of water. You can see the water that was behind it in that picture. How high the dam was. So this has been a short video, but I wanted to share this with you and show you the dam and talk about the disaster that killed that many people. So if you're watching this, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave comments and suggestions. As always, please subscribe if you haven't already. Go out and have your own adventures and enjoy life. Till then, it's been Uncle Jimmy with Jimmy's Train Station Travel Adventures. Till next time, goodbye.